Are you an aspiring author with a stack of books sitting in your closet, collecting dust? Well, it's time to dust off those manuscripts and turn them into a profitable business on Amazon. But where do you start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to sell your book on Amazon. First things first, you'll need to create an account on Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP. It's free and easy, just like learning how to ride a bike or how to burn toast. Once you've created an account, you can upload your book's manuscript and cover. Don't worry about formatting, KDP will do it for you. Now, it's time to set your price. Set your price. You will need to set a price for your book, taking into account the royalty rates and any promotional discounts you may want to offer. Choose your distribution channels. You can choose to make your book available on Amazon.com or expand your reach by making it available on other Amazon marketplaces. Launch your book. Once you have completed all the required information, you can launch your book on Amazon by clicking the Publish Your Kindle ebook button. Promote your book. To increase your book's visibility and sales, you will need to promote it. You can use Amazon's marketing tools, such as Amazon Ads, or promote it through your website, social media accounts, and email list. Next, it's time to hit that Publish button. Congratulations! You're now a published author. But wait, there's more. To increase your book's visibility, you'll want to promote it. You can use Amazon's marketing tools, such as Amazon Ads, or promote it through your website, social media accounts, and email list. And don't forget to read the reviews. Just like a bad haircut, it may hurt at first, but it's important to listen to feedback and improve your book. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to sell your book on Amazon. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be the next J.K. Rowling or Stephen King. Or at the very least, you'll be able to buy yourself a fancy latte. So, what are you waiting for? Get those manuscripts out of the closet and onto Amazon today. And remember, the only thing better than a good book is a good laugh. So, keep writing and keep smiling.